As I did more courses in civil engineering like water resource engineering, geotechnical engineering, survey and geology, I found civil engineering to be much more enticing. The department conducts various workshops and field visits, like we visited Ambuja Cement's manufacturing factory here at Dadri. We have visited Irrigation Research Institute, Bahadrabad, Roorkee last semester. The labs here at Shiv Nadar University are very well equipped, which helps us in applying a theoretical knowledge in real life. Apart from doing the civil engineering courses, I have also done courses like intuitive drawing, human faces, which are related to art. I have also done a course called Japanese management, where we learn various management skills which were used in Japan. I have also been able to explore my management skills by becoming the Secretary of Civil Engineering Society of Shiv Nadar University. We conduct various events and workshops, like we have conducted bridge making competition last Breeze, which is an annual technical and cultural fest of Shiv Nadar University. Apart from this, I also do powerlifting, and I have won a silver medal in powerlifting in SNU SL. I am really thankful to all the staff, my faculty and all the lab staff who have helped me through this journey, and I am really happy that I joined Shiv Nadar University.